Hey, hi Ajay.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Ajay Kumar Ojha from Bihar, and I have good knowledge in Java programming language as well as DSA and OOPS concept like DBMS and operating system and basic knowledge of C language and C++ as well as and I have also known basic about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So that's it about me.
Okay, so this is your DSA round. So let me start with the DSA. So do you have idea about linked list?
Yes,
Okay, good. What is the linked list?
linked list is a linear data structure. So it means we can store the data and it is a variable size. Linked list is a variable size. We can store in we can store the data and it's have uh, pointer to the next node. It is always stored to the data and the next pointer to the next data.
Okay, so let me give you one problem. Okay,
Mhm.
so your
Yeah.
problem is, please share your screen first.
Okay. First this one. This
Do you have permission?
no.
Okay, let me give you. Try now.
Yeah.
Share in any your ID.
Okay. I have an IntelliJ idea.
Yeah, open it.
Okay.
What you have to do is, I will give you one linked list, okay,
Okay.
which
Yeah.
containing some, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What you
Okay.
have to do is, you have to delete the element middle of linked list, okay. So in
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements, you have to delete the middle element. Middle element means fourth. So fourth
Okay.
element you have
Half
to
of the.
delete. Yeah, fourth element you
Okay.
have to delete it. So write a code for that.
Yeah. Sure. So can you give some times for thinking?
Yes, sure. First, tell me the approach. What approach you are going to follow, and then you can start writing it.
Okay. So first of all, we have given one linked list in as a node like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And I have task to delete the middle node.
Yes,
So
correct.
first, I think first of all, my approach is find the middle node
Okay.
and delete it. So how much deleted? First, go to the entire linked list of the middle, and we can also go the previous of the node, middle of the one previous, and terminate the connection of the my middle previous node, which is directly connected to the middle middle node of next. So this is done. So when my middle node is deleted successfully, this is my approach.
Okay, do it.
Okay. So first I create one class as a test class. Okay.
You have to create the linked list also because you don't have a linked list right now.
Okay. So first we have to create
And your linked list is singly linked list, not doubly. Make sure.
okay. Okay. So first I create one node class. So class and the nodes data and next pointer. Okay. It is done, then create one constructor for initializing the data. Its constructor is take data and initialize those data. This is my data and initially my next is initializing with none. Okay, once I've done this, my node class is created successfully. Okay, once I've done this, I create one node which is as a here. And we pass data one in the array. Okay, it so here. Okay, so you can just okay. Once I've done this, my node data have like this. Like we can give them A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, what is my data? My data is initially 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Done. Okay. Then we have need to connection this all data. So my head dot next is pointing to the A and A is pointing to the B and B is pointing to the C and the C is pointing to the D and the D is pointing to the null. Okay. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data as well as next pointer. Okay, once I have done this, mailing list is created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I create one function for printing public static. This is return type is void and it is used to mistake is a head. And once I've done this, take mode and temporarily into my head. And once I've done this, we can traverse the my linked list. So temp is not equal to null. Then we can traverse and print those data. This is my temp dot data. And then initially one space and then not is gives next line. And then my temp is temp dot next. Okay. Now can I check this data is built on what I call print function and give a head. Once I've done this, okay. So these are the my data. Okay, done. Now my linked list is created. Okay. So next work is to find the middle and deleted this. So now I create one another function for finding the middle and deleted this. Okay. Let's take another function. This take return type as well as new head, updated head, and the this is take as a head. Okay. Once I've done this, we go to first of all we create for going the middle of the linked list. We can traverse those data. Create a slope pointer is initially my head. And we create one next pointer which is my first, which is initially my head. And once I go to the middle of the element, so how we can delete the middle? We can so store the previous data. So I create one previous is equal to initially null. Okay. Now we can traverse those my linked list. So while my first is going to the null. Initially first is going to the 2 pointers. Initially first is not equal to null. My first not next is also not equal to null. We can traverse it and traverse. So first of all, what is the my previous value? The previous is equal to my solo. So we can first initialize previous equal to solo. And once I have done this, I move solo is equal to solo dot next. Once I have done this, my fast pointer is also increases by 2. So my fast is equal to fast dot next. Okay. Once I have done this, my previous pointer is pointing to the my middle of the previous. Okay, now I terminate this connection to the next. So once I've done this, my previous dot next is terminate the connection for the middle element and pointing to the next element. So this is like my previous dot next dot next. Once I've done this, my head is initially pointed to this return. Done. Okay. So now we can check this is done or not. First of all, node slow, fast. My node is previously null. My fast is not equal to null. Fast dot next is not equal to null. Previous is my slow, and the slow is equal to slow dot next. Fast is equal to fast is pointing to the two, and my previous dot next is equal to terminate the connection and return the end. Okay. Now call to the delete mid, pass only my head, and after the delete my mid, so my mid is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My mid is 3. So 3 we can delete it. And the pass will head after this myself. Return the one head. So my head and then this is my head. And once I run this, we cannot find. Now we can get some another next line. Okay. So these are the my initial linked list and these are my middle deleted linked list. Okay, sir, it is done. Hello.
Yeah. Okay. I will
It
give
is
you
done.
one more questions. Okay.
Okay.
It's related to the linked list also. What you have to do is you have a one single linked list, and
Okay.
the single linked list value is randomly like unsorted order 1, 5, 3, 2, something like that. What you have to do is you have to sort the linked list. Okay.
Sort in the list. Okay.
Yeah. So tell me the approach, which approach you are going to follow and write the code then after.
So first, I have given one linked list and as a node like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in unsorted order, like 1, 5, 3, any random node.
Yeah,
And my task is to sort the all node in
correct.
ascending order,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so we can use merge sort algorithms
Okay.
in this videos. First of all, merge sort is a divide and conquer based algorithms.
Okay.
It is working on that. First of all, divide the multiple parts of the linked lists
Hmm.
and again merge of them in ascending order.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it.
Okay. So first we commented on it. Okay. First I write on another function which is so static electron type is node image. Okay, it is take node as a head. Okay, now first I divide multiple parts of the linked list. So first I find middle of the linked list. So I can traverse we can use the first and the last. Delete middle, so find the middle. I create one another function. This is gives my middle. Yes, so this is my mistake here, and then create flow is pointing to the head, and node first is pointing to the head dot next, because we am using the first half of the middle. Okay, once I've done this, we write here my first is not equal to null. The first, the next is always not equal to null. Okay, once I've done this, I find my slow is equal to slow dot next, and my fast is equal to fast dot next dot next. Okay, once I've done this, my middle is pointing to the slow, and we can return slow as well as. Now this is my middle. We also create more some function. Is first if my head is equal to null, this is my base case, and my head not next then we can say that single element is also sorted, return return as well as. Okay, now if not there, then first find name of the linked list. So my name is equal to call one more function find with and pass to the head. We can store my middle pointing to the here. Now first my linked list is first part and second part terminated it. So my first terminated without to restore the next final element. So we can store. Okay. So this is my type head. Head is equal to without next, and again my mid dot next is equal to. Okay, once I've done this, again call on my left head equal to again call merge sort plus head and then my right head again call node and restore the right head. Okay, again I call right head. So again next it gives you now right. This is my right part. So I'll create one another. This is my right here is equal to merge sort again pass the right half of the linked list. So I pass the right. Okay. Again it is divided in multiple parts. We can merge up both of them. So I call directly return merge both of them, which is my left head and my right head. Okay. Once we are done with, I create a merge function. So create a merge function. Return by the left hand and right head. First I create dummy node. So node my new node is equal to my new node data is my dummy node minus 1. Okay. Once I have done this, I create one other node which is my left is equal to my always I track this pointer which is node temporary is equal to new flowers and my left is equal to my left and my right part is equal to my right hand. Once I have done this, my task is merge both of them. So my left is not equal to null as well as my right is not equal to null. Okay. Okay. I check which element is smaller. So I check if my left dot data is smaller than or equal to my right dot data. Okay. If my left data is smaller, then we can store temp dot next is pointing to the left. Okay. Okay. And my temp is equal to dot next, and my left left dot next. If my left data is bigger and my right data is smaller, then we store right data. So my team next is pointing to the right, and team is equal to 10 dot next, as well as my right is right dot next. Okay, once ever done this, if both linked list elements are same, then we can store it as a dummy node. Otherwise, I write another if element is remaining. So I write while my left is not equal to null, then store it temp dot next is equal to my left, and temp is equal to temp dot next, and my left is equal to left dot next. Okay, once I've done this, my left data is inserted successfully. Okay, and if right data is remaining, now while my right is not equal to null, then we can store randomly temp dot next is equal to my right, and again temp is my temp dot next, and my right is equal to right dot next. Okay, once I've done this, my left data remaining and the right data remaining is also inserted here. Now we can return the my new head of the next, because my new head is pointing to the -1. So -1 is dummy node. We don't need to return it. So directly we return my new node dot next. Okay. Once I've done this, my merge sort function is completed. Then merge function is completed. Now find middle is also completed. So these are the, now we can check. First, I have give you some random number like 5, 3, 2, 6. Okay. Now we need to apply. First, I need to print this linked list and pass the head. After I call merge sort function, it is take also a head, and after and the bonus sort also return the new head, which is store new head is equal to new head is equal to complete. Next slide. Because my data is null and value null. Okay, so how to times painting? Times painting which no need to print them. 15326 and 12356. I repeated. Okay, which okay, I give 15326 and my output is 12356. Okay, done. Hello.
Yeah, just explain me how it's working.
So first of all, I need to find the mid of the linked list
Okay.
and divide in sub parts of the linked list,
Okay.
as well as if one node is um, because I terminate both of them linked list in the sub parts and merge, comparing which node is smaller and which node is bigger. And we arrange the first of all we create one dummy node. So my merge function is here. I create one dummy node for inserting those data.
Okay.
Which data is first smaller, then we can store